Whoa!
Hey, hi,
Hey, hi.
hi.
Hello, congratulations from Frankfurt, Germany. My name is Moritz from Frenchel and Janusz.
Here, Eric Gibault, French photographer and YouTuber based in the Canary Islands.
Jordi here from Belgium. I run the Solidcom YouTube channel.
Hey Hollyland, this is Manny from Filmmaking Gears.
I am Fahad Rashid from Vancouver, Canada.
大家好，我是陈明。Hi, I'm Daniel, aka Chen.
Here's wishing the transmission experts.
This is Flora's Way from Greece, a YouTuber based in Thessaloniki.
Hello everyone, this is Aditya and Indian Tech YouTube.
My name is Oscar in Photos. I am a YouTube content creator.
David Zhao from Tampa, Florida, a YouTuber and professional photographer.
What's up? My name is Ines Alea and I am a visual artist.
My name is Hayes. I'm a photographer and filmmaker based in the Southwest.
This is Geek Tech from Geek Tech Digital of Canada.
I'm Alan from YouTube channel My Narrowboat Venture.
I'm Colin Smith from Canada. I'm a graphics and video professional.
Luke Seerveld from Meet the Gaffer on YouTube. Luke's twin brother, Larry.
Here's Jen von Jen Loves Tech. Germany is calling.
This is Manny J from Spain, a filmmaker based in Alicante.
My name is Jeremy Smith, and I'm a photographer based in Lark, Arkansas.
I'm Alberto from Recopsi Media Production. We are a team of freelance filmmakers based in Italy.
Rafael from Switzerland here. I'm Giovanni, videomaker from Italy.
Konnichiwa. Akane Teki Nihongo Kyoushutsu no Akane desu.
Hi, this is Nardo Futek, cycling content creator from the Philippines.
This is Anwar, also known as Aviation FPV from Canada.
My name is Kevin Thomas. I'm the business owner of KWT Media.
I'm Nabi Naji and I'm a professional filmmaker based in Italy.
What's up everybody, my name is Dushan, I go by just Dushan and I'm a videographer and photographer from New York.
My name is Elisa, I'm a Canadian living in Italy.
My name's Andrew Davis, I'm a university professor in the UK.
My name is Antonio, I'm a filmmaker and partner of Hollyland.
写真家の鈴木慎です。いつも
I'm Kevin Hudson and I'm a music video director from London, UK.
This is Alessio, this is Andrea, DOP and cinematographer based in Italy.
Corey Hour, cinematographer in Los Angeles, California.
I've been associated with...
This is Simon from Simon's Reviews.
Chill Bill. This is Jesse from Japan, a YouTuber based in Tokyo.
I'm James, I'm a filmmaker based in Sydney, Australia.
Kia ora, this is Richard Wong from New Zealand.
I wish you, the whole Hollyland team, all the best for the 10-year anniversary. We have used quite a lot of your products and I really like using them, especially lately. Not just the Lark 150, which I'm wearing right now, but of course also the Mars M1. That's a fantastic piece of technology and I hope you will innovate more over the next 10 years.
And I've been using the Hollyland's video and audio transmitters ever since we met a couple of years back. It's been absolutely amazing to work for Hollyland, such nice people that represents a wonderful brand. I was able to work on some of my most memorable projects because of them, and I look forward to further growth together. Happy 10th anniversary, guys. I wish you all the best.
Wish you a happy birthday. It's the 10th anniversary of Hollyland, and you guys are amazing. Thanks for being super creative and innovative for filmmakers.
For me, working alongside you and Hollyland, it's been an amazing experience. Being able to power up my work, being able to share it with people all around the world, creating community, it's been something that I couldn't dream of before. And for that, I'm really, really grateful. Chiayo, keep the amazing work happening.
Hollyland, a very happy anniversary. May this year and the years to come be your years of progress. All our best wishes are with you. Ciao.
For producing shootings our video and they are actually amazing. Their products help us a lot. Keep going Hollyland, happy birthday from our side.
I really wish you all the best for the next 10 years and I hope they will be as good as the past 10. So, happy birthday!
And I really want to wish Hollyland a very happy 10th anniversary. And I wish that you keep making, designing, producing and distributing the very excellent products that you have been made.
I've been using Hollyland products like their wireless mics, video transmitters, and comm systems for years now on my productions, and I'm really excited to see what Hollyland will bring to the industry next. You guys are crushing it, and I wish your team a happy 10th anniversary.
I'm actually using it right now as well to record this video, and I absolutely love the brand. So that being said, I wish you the best and a happy 10th anniversary. May we have some really awesome collaborations in the future.
Ich stoße auf euch an, wünsche euch alles Gute, bleibt weiterhin gesund und vor allem bleibt weiterhin kreativ. Liebe Grüße aus Deutschland, alles Gute nochmal.
Wishing Hollyland a happy 10th anniversary.
and all success for the future.
10-year anniversary. Wow, doesn't time fly? That is a fantastic milestone.
And I've been using Hollyland microphones for about 3 months, and I love it. Happy 10th anniversary.
Happy 10th anniversary to Hollyland. And here's to continue an amazing partnership together.
Happy 10th anniversary. Can you hear me? Loud and clear.
I wanted to wish Hollyland a very happy 10th anniversary. I can't wait to see what the future has for you.
Happy birthday to Hollyland. 祝贵公司生意兴隆，事业昌盛。
More power to you guys, more product from this year and in the future.
We wish you the very best of success in the years to come and look forward to working with you in the future.
I want to extend birthday wishes to Hollyland that creates reliable and cutting-edge equipment.
And I just want to say happy 10th anniversary, happy birthday, wish you many more years to come, many great products, and keep dominating the market.
Happy birthday, Hollyland. Thank you for all you've created so far, and here's to the next 10 years of inspirational creations.
効率的に行うことができるようになりました。これからもますますの発展とご健勝をお祈りしてます。10년 춘지쾌라
Solidcom C1 system headsets, which have been amazing. Thank you so much, Hollyland.
I want to wish happy birthday to Hollyland for their 10 years of development, innovation, and production.
Here's wishing them happy 10th anniversary, and I look forward to many more products to come.
Very happy birthday, and please keep improving the products that make my life tremendously easy.
We can't wait to create together again, as we did in the past, as we are doing right now, and as we will do in the future.
Happy birthday, and here's to another 10 years.
Congratulations, Hollyland, for 10 or 100 more years.
Congratulations, guys, and many more to come.
Hollyland, happy 10th birthday.
Hollyland, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hollyland.
Happy birthday, Hollyland. Happy birthday to Hollyland.
Happy birthday, Hollyland.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So, happy birthday auf die nächsten 10 Jahre.
Thank you, Hollyland. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hollyland.
Happy anniversary, Hollyland!